Ano ba ang MRI? Mortgage Redemption Insurance. MRI is a requirement by Pag-ibig and banks before approving your housing loan. The proceeds of your insurance will fully pay your remaining loan, while the excess of the insurance money will be given to your heirs. Do you ever wonder what will happen to your house without MRI? Pag-ibig and banks can foreclose your property regardless of how much is your remaining loan. MRI ensures that your family will still have your house to live when you die too soon. Of course, no one is hoping for that. But it's better to be prepared, right? But what if nothing happens to you? Anong mangyayari sa binayad mo sa MRI? Truth is, may assigned MRI na sila Pag-ibig and banks kapag bibili ka ng property, which is tapon pera if nothing happens to you. Once tapos mo nang bayaran yung property and nothing happens to you, wala na din visa yung assigned MRI nila. No money back na yun. Wala na yung binayad mo dun. Tapon pera lang. Tapos, bibili ka ulit ng property. Magbabayad ka na naman ng MRI. Pero huwag ka magalala dahil pwede ka mag-assign ng sarili mong MRI. Paano? Ito ang tip ko sa'yo. You can use your existing life insurance if the coverage is enough. Para sa susunod na bibili ka ulit ng property, yung existing insurance policy mo na lang palagi ang i-assign mo as your own MRI. If you do not have one yet, consider talking to a financial advisor. In such a way, he or she can help you secure an insurance policy that you can still use even after you are done with your loan payment. May lifetime insurance ka na, may money back pa sa cash value or fund value mo. In that way, nakatipid ka na, hindi ka pa nagtatapon ng pera. Message your trusted financial advisor today. If you find this helpful, don't forget to follow and share.